Hey
still have
guys,
lights back here.
big TNT garage.
Whatever you squished with whatever was under there, you squished
Did it come out?
it. No, but it's the seat's laying on it.
Oh, I didn't put anything under there.
You got bags back there. You told me to stay out of it. Will you open that and
Whatever I squished over here. Well, there was nothing in there really to hurt. All right.
I was gonna have you pull this up. I don't
It should get.
want these books there either.
Just picking up a few things here. For Abby's. I believe there's plenty of propellers. Somebody's got propellers.
This is the same stuff.
Is that long one gonna go in there?
It's gonna have to. Somehow.
All right, I'm gonna stop the video so I can help her with this stuff. Just thought I'd show you. Interesting place. All right, guys. See you later. Bye. Bye.